everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a title on your Instagram page. Now, let's get started. First, open your Instagram apps. Okay, and after this, in here you can click on your profile icon. And now, if you wanna add a title on your Instagram page, so you just click on the edit profile. And after this, in here you can click on the bio, and at the bio you can add the title that you want, like this. And after you write the title, so you just click on the check icon at the top. Okay, and after this, in here you just click on the check icon at the top again and finish. So that's how to add a title on your Instagram page. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.